Have you ever pulled up to work, maybe even a few minutes late, and hopped out of your car only to realize you forgot something, like tying your shoes, or better yet, forgot to put a tie on? Of course you're going to want to hustle and fix that. But what if you don't know how to tie a tie? Today let's watch as Jason takes a seat in this 2017 Corvette Grand Sport and shows us how to quickly tie a tie. For this knot, you're going to want to start with the wider side on your right. First, cross over the wider side towards your left, and then pull it around and back towards the right. Then, once over the top again, and thread it up through the top of the opening. Now you can pull it through the hole in the center of the knot and tighten it appropriately. As you can see, with practice, this becomes quick and natural to do. Never again will you have to worry about time-consuming and aggravating knot tying. Now you're set and ready to go for whatever the day has to offer. Hopefully, now with Jason's directions, you'll never be left with an untied tie.